How to fix error 1, 2, 3 in Sims 4. To fix error 123 in Sims 4, which often causes the game to crash or fail to load, you can follow these steps based on the common causes and solutions. If the issue is related to mods, identify outdated mods. Check the mod creators' websites or forums for updates to identify which mods are outdated. Remove outdated mods. Go to your Sims 4 mods folder and delete the outdated mods by comparing their versions with the latest ones available online. Download updated mods. Download the latest versions of the mods from their respective platforms. Install updated mods. Copy the downloaded files into the mods folder and ensure that mods are enabled in the game settings. Go to the Game Options menu, select Game Options, then the Other tab, and ensure Enable Custom Content and Mods is checked. ASU is not related to mods. Check for game bugs. Error 123 can also be caused by game bugs, especially after recent updates. In such cases, it may not be related to mods or custom content. Workarounds. Some players have reported success with workarounds such as loading another sim that your sim knows and traveling to the lot together. This can sometimes bypass the error. Clear cache and test saves. Close the game, move your mods folder to the desktop, and delete local thumb cache. Package. Then test the game in a new save. If it works, add back your mods and custom content a little at a time while testing until you find the problematic ones. General troubleshooting steps. Restart the game. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve the issue. Check for game updates. Ensure that your game is up to date, as patches often fix known issues. Report the issue. If the problem persists, report the issue to a support, providing as much detail as possible, including the error code and any steps you've taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of error 123 in Sims 4.